Hello YouTube family, and welcome to another episode of This and That. Yes, it is your boy Rosie, your soon to be #1 YouTube host. Alright family, that scene that I opened with was just epic. It didn't deserve words. I wouldn't even dishonor it by saying anything. I'm out here at my #2 favorite spot here in my local area. This is actually just a little RV park about 2 or 3 miles away from my home. This is the parking area, I guess for guests or whatever. And it's right here in front of this little river, I guess. And it's just freaking beautiful. And I like to come down here and just enjoy and sit back and relax. All right, fam, that's a long intro, but I just had to share that with y'all. All right, family, this is gonna be a real quick, down and dirty video. And I know I say that all the time, but this one really is. All right, in honor of my birthday month, we're still celebrating. I know I haven't been dropping a lot of videos. We have been having some awesome times. We spent this weekend camping at Camp Simpson. That's right, Camp Simpson. We're kind of landlocked. We're locked in. If you go to the other channel, you'll see some of my videos that I'm starting to drop over there. We could not go anywhere because they're working on our roads. And so me and Lady Red just decided to camp at the house. We had our daughter over, her husband, the grandkids came over for briefly. Her mom decided to put her cane down and play badminton with us. I'm gonna drop a little footage of that in right here. Whoa, that hole must be getting bigger. Oh, now she over here giving instructions. I heard that.
Y'all think them dogs in there tearing something up?
I might well go check on them. It was an amazing weekend. I'm not lying. She's still talking about it. And today is like Monday. And she's still talking about how amazing our Friday and Saturday was. Sunday, real windy, so we spent most of the day inside the RV watching television. But enough of that. All right, family. On our channel, my analytics say that most of the people that watch this channel are between the ages of 45 and 65 years old. My exact age. That's right, because some mornings when I wake up, I feel 45. Some mornings when I wake up, I feel 65. All right, fam. The reason I referenced age is the few younger viewers that we have, say 35, 40 years old, may or may not be familiar with this Jiffy Pop popcorn. Now, the reason I've been curious about this for the longest, probably ever since I've been doing the channel, just hadn't had an opportunity to test it yet, and I thought today would be a good day. I've done this twice before, and both times it's been over a campfire. I'm curious to know if this Coleman stove at 5,000 BTUs will actually pop popcorn. So, and this is actually not the Coleman. I am so sorry. This is the other brand that I bought, which right now the name is escaping me. But so let's go ahead, and I believe you're supposed to pop this, remove the top. Now, do not remove the tab. Follow all directions. Now, I think you're supposed to take the Jiffy Pop, if I remember correctly, and we're basically gonna sit it over the fire. And we wait. Let's see if there's any more directions underneath here. Oh yeah, there we go. All right, fam. It says, for best results, follow directions exactly. That's something I don't do well, but we'll give it a shot. Do not puncture, tamper, swirling aluminum foil. Doing popping, hold firmly. Do not squeeze handle, pop. Carefully, do not allow young children, blah, blah, blah. Gas range, direction, gas range or camp stove. Set flame on medium. Electric range, preheat for 3 to 4 minutes. Place pan on burner. When sealing sound is heard, continually shake pan, blah, blah, blah. Immediately remove pan, sounds, okay. All right, let's get to shaking. Make sure that's not too hot. All right, here we go, fam. It actually references camp stove in the directions. I don't know if you're supposed to shake it violently. Uh-oh, here we go, fam. I think I may have let it sit still too long while I was reading the directions, but here we go. I still hear some popping. I'm assuming this is like a microwave. Once the popping stops, all right, we don't want to burn them. Let's bring that to a stop. Boom. I think we may have burned them, but I'm not sure. But I basically just wanted to test this out. I'm not a huge fan of microwaves, especially since my diagnosis a year and a half ago. I'm not a big fan of microwaves anymore, so I've been looking for a way to kind of get away from microwaves, and this is one of the ways I came up with. Plus, when we're traveling and you want to have a good snack, I think, boy, popcorn, especially if you're traveling with kids, this would be excellent. So let's let that rest for a few minutes. We're gonna sit it over here, let it cool off, and we're gonna pop it open and see how many burnt pieces of popcorn we got. All right, family, stay tuned. All right, family, once again, it's windy as heck out here, but I really wanted to do this video, and I couldn't let it pass me up any longer. I've been sitting on this Jiffy popcorn for about a month now. I actually have 2 more back here waiting if this works or if it doesn't work. Remember our motto, I make mistakes so y'all don't have to. All right, family, so let's tear into this. Oh. Check that out, fam. Woo, woo, woo. Not bad at all. There you have it, family. An alternative to microwave. You can use this while you're camping, while you're on the road. A $20 Coleman stove. And I forgot how much the Jiffy popcorn costs. $1.50, $2 per container. And it is nice, fluffy, buttery, a little salt. Now here's something I like doing to my popcorn that most people probably don't do. Get this open. I actually like putting a little pepper on my popcorn. They actually make a peppered popcorn. But if I did an alternate kind of popcorn, I like adding a little pepper. Don't ask me why. Sometimes even a little red pepper flakes. All right, family. If y'all enjoy this fun-filled birthday month video, y'all give your boy a thumbs up and a like, and I will see y'all in the next video. It's your boy Rosie in the month of April, every year for the rest of my life. Peace.